Hello and welcome back to The Awakening with Kelvin Phiri under the Bridges to Prosperity series, where we explore the issues shaping Zambia's future and the role we play in it. Today, I want us to have an honest conversation about patriotism. What does it truly mean to be patriotic as a Zambian in 2025? Disclaimer. Please remember that this podcast is for educational and reflective purposes only, encouraging informed discussion about Zambia's journey. It is not legal advice. Having lived and worked in Botswana, South Africa, the UK, and of course Zambia, I have seen what patriotism looks like in different countries. In the UK, I witnessed how the Queen's Jubilee and later her passing brought the nation together. Political differences were set aside as people honored their history, identity, and shared values. In the United States, I saw how people came together to celebrate their veterans. One person in the crowd said, "I'm not here for politics. I'm here to celebrate our United States Army." There was a clear sense of belonging, something deeper than just holding a passport. We proudly say, "One Zambia, one nation." We sing our national anthem, wave our flag, and celebrate when Chipolopolo wins. But what does it truly mean to feel Zambian? I have met many Zambians in the diaspora who, out of frustration, speak negatively about our country, forgetting that Zambia is the only country we truly have. No matter where you live or how many years you have been away, Zambia remains your home. Recently, we experienced the passing of our former President Edgar Chagwa Lungu. His death is a significant moment in our nation's history, one that calls us to unity. When we decide to put him to rest at Embassy Park, we will remember our past presidents and the contributions they have made to the unity and peace we enjoy today. Embassy Park is not just a burial site, it is a reminder of our journey as a nation. It holds the memories of leaders who, despite their flaws, dedicated their lives to serving Zambia. These moments should unite us beyond political lines and remind us that we are one people with a shared history. Zambia is a nation of 73 tribes, yet we are one nation. Our diversity should be our strength, not our weakness. We may have different opinions and political affiliations, but we should never allow politics to divide us to the point where we forget our shared identity. We need to remember that not everything has to be politics. We need to learn to draw a line that should never be crossed, a line that protects the peace we have enjoyed for so long. We should never take this peace for granted, but protect it intact as it has been passed on to us by our forefathers. It is our responsibility to do the same for our children. For me, that is one of the reasons I have written my second book, Roots and Wings, a father's message to Diaspora Children, to remind them of where they come from and the responsibility we all carry to protect and build our country for the generations to come. Our Constitution begins with the words, "We the people." It is not about personalities, it is about the institutions that hold us together. The executive, the legislature, and the judiciary are pillars that uphold our democracy. Presidents will come and go, but these institutions remain, and it is our duty to protect and respect them. When we undermine these institutions, we are not undermining individuals, but ourselves. If we disrespect our laws and ignore our constitution, we are tearing apart the very fabric that holds us together as Zambians. Patriotism is not blind loyalty, nor is it ignoring the challenges we face as a nation. It means holding our leaders accountable while respecting the offices they occupy. It means speaking up when things are wrong, but doing so with respect and a desire to build, not destroy. It means supporting local businesses, encouraging local industries, and promoting local talent. It means being honest in your dealings, whether you are a government official, a contractor, a teacher, or a vendor in the market. It means teaching your children about Zambia, its history, and its values, no matter where you live. What are you proud of? Ask yourself, what makes you proud to be Zambian? Is it our peace and resilience? Is it our sense of humor even in hard times? Is it the way we come together during funerals, when neighbors gather to support each other? Or the way we share food when someone is in need? We often overlook these small acts, but they are the glue that holds us together as a people. Challenge to the diaspora. To my brothers and sisters in the diaspora, I know it is easy to compare Zambia to the countries where we live and to see what is lacking. But I challenge you to move beyond criticism and ask yourself what role you can play in building Zambia. You can invest in your community, support your family back home responsibly, and contribute ideas that will help us move forward. Remember that Zambia's story is your story too, no matter how far you live from home. Cost of losing patriotism. If we lose our sense of patriotism, we risk becoming a nation divided by tribe, politics, and personal interests. We risk forgetting our roots and selling our values for temporary gain. When we lose our patriotism, we lose the Zambia that our parents and grandparents fought for and the future we owe to our children. The call to action. Let us protect Zambia. Let us be proud of Zambia. Let us not sell our country or our values for personal gain. Let us remember that one Zambia, one nation is not just a slogan but a call to live in unity, to respect each other, and to build a nation we can all be proud of. Reflection for listeners. As you finish this episode, I encourage you to reflect on what patriotism means to you personally. Ask yourself how you are contributing to Zambia's growth. Consider whether you are respecting and protecting the institutions that hold our nation together. In your small corner, are you living out the values of one Zambia, one nation? Closing. Thank you for joining me today on The Awakening with Kelvin Phiri under the Bridges to Prosperity series. If you found this episode valuable, please share it with your family and friends and leave your thoughts in the comments. Let us continue this conversation about patriotism and unity, remembering that together we can build a Zambia we can all be proud of. Until next time, remember, Zambia is our home. Let us protect it, love it, and build it together.